Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to apply for unemployment in Ohio. So first, head over to your browser and search up apply for unemployment in Ohio. And here you can see a how to apply link from the JFS Ohio Gov. So all you have to do is click and follow this link. And here you can see two ways to apply for unemployment benefits. So, first of all, you can see a note here that you may not be able to apply for unemployment benefits in person. So, you either have to do it online or over the phone. Applying online is the quickest way to start receiving unemployment benefits. And to get started, just click on the Applying Online link. You will then be redirected to this page, and the first thing you have to do is read this release information and click on the I agree button. You will then be prompted to log into your account. But if you don't have an existing account, head over and register for a new one. And once inside your account, you can start your application. Just follow all the on screen prompts and answer questions and fill out all the fields as correctly and accurately. And if you're struggling to apply online, you don't have to worry because you can still apply over the phone. And here you can see the hotline that you can contact. So the call center hours are on Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!